Welcome back, future medicos. Today, Tamil Nadu Selection Committee has released the seat matrix for the general counseling. After completing all the special category reservation, they have finalized the seat matrix for general counseling. I'm getting a lot of messages from candidates asking for whether they could get a seat in Tamil Nadu State Counseling under government quota. And they are also confused, particularly the candidates who are in the open category, particularly those candidates, unreserved candidates. They all confused whether should they go for All India quota or should they wait for the Tamil Nadu government quota counseling. So they are caught between the MCC round 2 and Tamil Nadu state round 1. So this video is more to help them to make a decision. This is not a predicted cutoff. I'm not talking about the cutoff. I'm talking about the safe score. So if you are above the safe score, you can peacefully sleep. You will get a seat in Tamil Nadu state government. But if you are below the score, maybe you may get, maybe you may not get. And I'm going to talk about only about round 1. Okay, I'm going to talk about government quota seats, that is category A, in which the round 1 only I'm going to talk about. I'm not going to forecast round 2. Let us wait for the seats that return from All India quota, then we will talk about that. Round 1, category A, what could be the cutoff? First, let's look at the open category. There are 864 seats available under open category. So theoretically, the first 864 candidates to take a seat will all be counted under open category. So irrespective of whether they are BC, MBC, SC, or even OC candidates, they all will be counted as open category. So the first 864 candidates to take seat will be counted against open category. Will it be 864 is the rank? No, not necessarily. It depends on how many candidates don't come for counseling. We know already some candidates have gone for JIPMER, some candidates have gone for AIMS, some candidates have taken seat through All India quota in Tamil Nadu. So probably we believe that some candidates will not appear for counseling. Looking at last year, there were about 50 candidates who did not appear for counseling. So I have taken 864 plus 50, about 914 as the cutoff rank for open category, which is equivalent to 603 marks. So I believe 603 is the safe score if you are an unreserved candidate. If you come as an open category candidate, 603 is the safe score. Can somebody below this can get a seat? Yeah, that is possible, because the assumption that only 50 seats will be taken by All India quota, we don't know. If more candidates have gone out, then probably the score might come down. So anywhere between 598 to 603. Any candidate between 598 to 603, you can keep your hopes alive, but anybody beyond 603, you can be happy. You will certainly get a seat, but anybody between 598 or 600 to 603, you may get a seat, but it's not confirmed. Anyway, day 1 will give you more information about that, then we can discuss further. Now the second category, BC. BC, about 580 candidates from BC community will go into the open competition. They will take seats in the open competition, that is the 864 seats. About 580 BC candidates will take those seats. In addition, they will get about 711 seats. Now, what is the safe score for BC? 565, I believe, is the safe score. Once again, anywhere between 560 to 565, you can keep your hopes alive. But if you are beyond 565, you can be happy. BCM, about 95 seats are available. The safe score is about 535. Again, you can allow about 5 marks, 530 to 535. Probably you have a chance, but beyond 535, you can be confident of getting a category A seat. MBC, 552 seats are available. The safe score is 531. Somewhere between 2-3 marks below it might go, somewhere around 527, 528. That's the probable zone, possible. 531 and above, sure you will get it. Anybody between 527 to 531, maybe there is a chance, but cannot say for sure. SC candidates, safe score 459. Once again, anybody between 455 to 459, keep your hopes alive. SCA candidates, the safe score is 391, and probably around 390, 391 may still have hopes. ST, there are 27 seats available, safe score 356. It won't drop too much, maybe around 355, 356 is something we are looking at. So this is the safe score in my opinion. And if you are above this score, you can be happy, peaceful. But if you are below this, maybe around 5 marks below this, maybe you have a chance. But anything below 5 marks, I don't think you will get into category A in round 1. The chances are extremely low. Below 5 marks, getting into round 1 through category A. Maybe category B, self-financing colleges, possible. But category A, government colleges, not possible unless a lot of candidates start dropping Raja Muttaya, Government Erode Medical College and ESIC Chennai, which I doubt will happen. So this is a safe score. Thank you very much. I hope to see you in some other video soon. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.